How to add a member to the team. First, go to the members. And then you can click the Invite Members button here, and then you can copy this invitation code and share with your team members. And then once they join, you can see there's pending review section here, and then you just need to click the Manage Member button, and then assign them a team role, for example, team member or captain or coach, and then save all. And now your new member has successfully joined the team. How to create new events. You can add a new event by clicking this Add Event button. And here you can input the event title, for example, on water paddling. And then you can add description here, and then select the event category. Also, you can set a recurring event by turning on this button, and then select the frequency. For example, we can select weekly event, and choose every Wednesday. And then you can set the start date and end date here. Here you can input an address. Next, set the capacity. First, you need to select how many boats in your training. By default, the boat size is 10 rows and 2 columns. And here you can add more staff to your event. For example, I'll need 1 coach, 1 steer, 1 drummer, and 1 substitute. And now you complete your event. And then you can see you have create and publish events successfully. How to manage members in an event. As a captain, you can manually add members to an event. First, click on Event, and then click on the role. Here, you can manually add members by click this button. Or you can remove member by click this button. And also you can go to Calendar. Select one event that already finished. And there will be a Report No Show button here. You can report a member that didn't show up in this event. How to manage team performance. In the settings, there's a technical standards. This is a 5-level grading system used for a lineup optimization and training development. You can take a look at this standard, and then you can go to Performance. You can give your member rating here. First, click the Quick Edit button. And then you can select the rating for them, and then save changes. Also, you can define test by yourself. For example, erg 500 meters. And then select measurement unit, create a test, and then you can see the new column here. You can add the new test result by click the Quick Edit button, and then input the result. And save changes. There's another way to add a new test result by click the test. And then add new record. Here you can select the test date. Save test result. Now members can see their test result trends on their member information card. How to arrange lineup. First, select the event that you want to arrange the lineup. And here you can see all the members that have registered for this event. You can simply arrange the lineup by click the AI Optimize button. After, wait for a few seconds. You shall see the lineup result. And now AI already arranged the lineup for you. It's based on the side preference of the member, their gender, the body weight, and the technical ratings. And also, if there are multiple boats, you can switch boat view here. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can manually drag and drop the members. And you can monitor the left and right. front and back balance here. When you are happy with the lineup, click the Publish button to publish the lineup to the event. How to create training plan. If you're a coach, you can write training plans here. First, you can add a new template here. For example, warm up, and then select the tag and duration. Then select intensity level and write training details here, and then save the template. Now you have your templates here. And then you can select the training session you want to create the training plan for. Then you can see this is a 120-minute session, and then you can add your warm-up session. Spring intervals, standard endurance. And now you can publish your plan here. Now, when you click on the event, you shall see your training plan here.